Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So by the way, this is our reading for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kunin nyo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate sa inyo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. And yan, please do follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. At doon sa isang channel na kung saan ako magla-live, no? Madam P Vlogs. Ayan, TikTok at doon lang sa Madam P Vlogs ako mag-live. Okay, so let's start your reading. This is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Please do comment down below, guys. Kahit po heart lang. Okay, messages for water sign. I don't know, nakakamoy ako ng pancit canton or like noodles. This could be a reading. Pwede yun yung kinakain mo ngayon or maybe it's your favorite food. I don't know. This could be a reading, ha? Four of Swords, Four of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. One more card. Four of Pentacles. That's your angel number. 444. So, apat na 4 yan. Ay, tatlong 4 yan, guys. Nagpakita sa atin. And the Ten of Cups is also here. So, sa nakikita natin, alam mo, ang kulang, sa tarot reading, no? Sa tarot deck, ang number 4 ay apat lang. Okay? And ang wala lang dito ay ang Four of Cups. Wherein, nakita naman natin, with the Ten of Cups, it's still a cup. No? So, napuno pa rin yung element natin, which is yung Wands, Sword, Pentacles, and Cups, which is nagre-represent yan ng mga element na water, air, earth, and ano yung isa? Water, air, earth, and it's a pentacle. So, it's a pentacle. So, anyway, I'm still thinking. Nawawala ako sa loob ko ngayon. Maybe because kagigising ko lang halos. Fire. Okay, ayun. Ayun pala, sorry. Okay. Kagigising ka nga lang. So anyway, ito yung main energies mo. So, start na natin yung reading mo dito, no? For what I can see here, by the way, search mo yung angel number 444. Ayan. So anyway, search mo yung number 444 dahil maaaring may messages na makarelate sa'yo doon. Search mo yun sa Google. Angel number 444. Maybe kung ano yung pinaka-best na magre-relate sa'yo, that is the message for you. Okay? So kung nagtataka ka kung saan ang ano dito, this is the air. Ayan. This is the fire, water, and earth. Ayan. With the Four of Pentacles. So, nakikita natin dito, I feel like there's some kind of attack. May atake na nangyayari. No, na parang hindi mo alam ang nangyayari sa buhay mo. There's some kind of attack na nangyayari sa'yo. No? Make sure, hindi ako nag-advertise or what, but for some of you, you need to wear some kind of protection. Okay, if you're wearing right now, kung may protection ka na gamit ngayon, it needs to be cleansed. Kasi hindi naman all the time. Pag kahit binili mo yan ng cleanse, yung iyong pangontra na yan, okay na yun, makakampante ka na dun. Kailangan continuous, i-cleanse mo pa rin siya, lilinisin at nililisin mo pa rin siya from negative energy. Okay? So, paano gagawin yun? Maybe you have to cleanse it with the sun or yan, yung insenso, usok, ganyan. And yung pag-charge naman yan para lumakas yung protection mo is ibilad mo siya sa full moon, okay? And then, of course, after, pag nabilad mo siya sa full moon, tsaka mo siya kukunin, for example, bracelet, no? Tsaka mo siya kukunin and then saka mo siya isusuot sa kamay mo, kung ito ay bracelet, and then set your intention first bago mo suotin. Hawakan mo muna and then sabihin mo or isipin mo mabuti kung ano yung intention mo. Syempre, yung intention mo din is to protect you. No? Bakit kasi nasabi yun? Some of you, there's this evil eye or negativity na nakaka-apekto sa buhay mo ngayon. Kasi hindi mo alam eh. Hindi, alam mo yung usog? Okay, alam mo yung usog? Pwedeng mangyari yan sa tao. Spiritually, okay? Magugulat ka na lang, bakit parang laging kamalasan pumunta sa buhay ko? Or bakit nito lang, bakit parang lately minamalas-malas ako? Yun ay dahil maaaring may masamang tingin na ibinigay sa'yo or na, alimbawa, kaaway, kalaban, tumingin sa'yo, tapos deep inside, puro inggit, tapos nagsasalta siya ng hindi maganda laban sa'yo, pwedeng makaapekto sa'yo yon. Okay? So, ano yung yan, yung soon dadating, I'm not advertising, pero just in case, soon, magbebenta rin ako dyan sa TikTok ng aking mga pangontra, which is one of them is Evil Eye. Hindi ko ina-advertise, guys. Pero sasabihin ko sa iyo ang benefit kahit saan ka bumili. Kahit saan ka bumili, hindi kita pipigilan yan. I already told you kung paano mo i-cleanse. Paano mo i-recharge. Binigyan kita ng konting kaalaman tungkol doon. So, importante yon. Kasi yung evil eye, I don't have one with me right now. Pero, it looks like an eye, yung color blue. Pero may ibang colors yun. Ngayon, yung tingin na masama sa'yo, laban sa'yo, titingnan niya pabalik. Parang yung evil eye na yun is some kind of a thing. For example, ito yun, ano? And then it looks like an eye. Tapos, bracelet siya or something. Yung masamang tumitingin sa'yo, yung mata na yun ang magbabalik doon sa mga taong yon. So, kung meron silang mga intention na hindi maganda, babalik yung intention nila yon sa kanila. Nagets mo? So, kung minamalas-malas ka, dapat hindi ka mamalasin kasi dapat sa kanila yun babalik. Magbabounce siya. Kasi hindi mo kayang tumingin na pabalik or hindi mo alam yung mga intention ng mga tao sa paligid mo, diba? But the evil eye can do that. It's like some kind of protection. Parang magbabounce lang. So, bakit ko sinasabi yun? Kasi apektado buhay mo ngayon ng mga taong naiinggit sa'yo. And with the Four of Wands, nakikita natin, you are stable. You are stable. Actually, you are. Marami kang nasa paligid mo ngayon na parang nagpoprotekta sa'yo. Marami kang nasa paligid mo na ngayon, maybe your career, your work, na you feel like it's already stable. Nakakaipon ako dito. 10 of Cups, you do have family. 9 of Cups, maybe some of you are already successful, nasa magandang relationship ka naman. Pero with the Death card, this is the Death card, pwedeng mawala yan. In one snap, isang ganun, isang pitik lang, or isang, ano man Tagalog ng snap? Anyway, isang ganun lang, pwedeng mawala lahat yan sa'yo. You know why? Kasi yung sabi ko sa'yo, yung kamalasan, yung evil eye, or masamang tingin, ay malaki ang pwedeng maiapekto sa buhay mo. Na nakikita natin na merong iba sa inyo na nanonood sa akin na merong ganon. May nainggit sa'yo, tumingin sa'yo, humiling ng hindi maganda. So, anong effect nun? pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, minamalas-malas yung buhay mo, nito-nito lang. Okay? So, be sure to protect yourself. Okay. So, anyway, if you want to avail naman sa akin mismo, kasi yung sa aking, I will assure you na yung aking binibenta na yun, just in case, I bless and ritualize. Okay. Ayun, sa TikTok shop ko siya ilalagay. Hindi ko pa na ilalagay ngayon kasi sinisimulan ko pa lang, okay? I'm still waiting na mailagay pa siya doon, no? So anyway, I'm just saying, move on tayo sa reading. Hopefully may nakuha ka kasi talagang, sasabihin nung iba dasal lang. Lahat naman kasi ng materials or pangangailangan natin is nandito na sa mundo. No? Yung spiritual healing, kailangan din na, alam mo, katulad rin ng katawan. Yung katawan natin, okay, kailangan ng vitamins. Kailangan turukan. Bakit nung pinanganak ka ba, dasal lang, yun lang, ganun na lang. Syempre hindi. Kailangan mo rin proteksyon ng laban sa sakit. Diba? And, spiritually, ganun din. A lot of you are being affected by this usog. Sabihin na nating usog. If you don't like the word evil eye. Yun lang talaga tawag doon sa particular thing na ginagamit kasi para mag-protect. It's called evil eye. Okay? Ito. More messages for water sign. Pansinin mo buhay mo ngayon. Bakit nung mga nakaraan, okay naman ako? Ba't bigla akong minalas-malas? Baka nagkataon lang. Hindi ganun yun. Hindi yun nagkataon lang. Okay. Six of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, ayaw mo yung reading natin for today, no? It's okay. It's not for you. May ibang kailangan ng reading na ito. So anyway, one more card for our water sign. More messages for water sign, please. Ten of Pentacles, Stars, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel like there's this thing na naman na tinatry. Guys, I told you, mayroon na naman akong nakikita dito na papalapit. You're trying to hide yourself. This is you. And there's some, can you see that? It's a shadow. It's like a wolf, no? Na trying to attack you na naman. Like, there's something here na tinatry ka na namang atakihin ka. And guess what? You're still not aware of this. You're still not aware. Hindi ka pa rin aware. Hindi mo pa rin alam. It's like this is you. You're sleeping. You're trying to protect yourself. Trying to protect whatever is importante para sa'yo. No? But, alam mo, hindi ako nagre-read ng reversal. But this Ten of Pentacles, hindi ko alam kung bakit nailatag ko siya ng reverse. So, I will read this in reverse. The message for you is in reverse. Hindi talaga ako nagpapasa ng pabaliktad. Okay? Because I would feel kung kailangan ko siyang basahin ng baliktad. And ito na yung time na yon. Okay? Meron talaga ako nakikita mga nakatingin sa'yo. I can see a lot of eyes right now. Nakatingin sa'yo. They are all looking at you and they want you to suffer. Okay? Gusto nilang mag-suffer ka. Two of Swords. And you see that? There's the shadows again. Okay? There's the shadows again. And it's like, you're blindfolded. This is you. Nakapiring. Hindi mo alam. may mga desisyon ka na maaring or action, yung iba action, na parang pwedeng maging dahilan para mawala kung ano man yung mga buhay na meron ka before. Maybe in the past you are this. Can you see this? There's this peacefulness, at peace energy sa paligid mo. Pero unti-unti natin nakikitang nababaliktad, nawawala. Okay? Ay, nawawala or nagiging magulo. Okay, nakita natin na maybe in the past maganda ang buhay mo. Pero nakikita natin unti-unting nawawala itong kagandahan ng buhay na ito. Especially with the Ten of Pentacles, and it is in reverse. The Four of Pentacles, ito, this means ipon. Pera na naipon mo, na-accomplish mo, nasa bangko, whatever kind of ipon. Pero it's in reverse. The Ten of Pentacles, maaaring mawala din yan sa'yo. Okay? This is just a warning. This is just a warning. Itong reading na ito for now is just a warning for you. Maaaring nangyari na yung iba sa'yo ngayon. Ngayon, kontrahin mo. Paano ko kontrahin? Sinabi ko na sa'yo. And also at the same time, you need to cleanse yourself. Mag-insenso ka ng bahay. Mag-insenso ka ng sarili mo. Pausukan mo sarili mo. I do have that mga pausok na yan. For example, this one, I do have, hindi ko to binibenta guys. Sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung mga ginagamit ko pang cleanse sa akin. Yan, this one is a sage. Pero I like this one kasi hindi naman malaki yung area na pauusukan ko. I have this one. This is called a sage. Hindi ko to binibenta. I told you hindi ko to binibenta. Then I do have here this Palo Santo. Ayan, pinauusukan ko din na yan. Required yan kasi ako ay nagta-tarot reading. So, may mga negative energy din ako nakukuha. Mga emotion na masasakit, malulungkot. Pag hindi ako na ganito guys, may pwede akong magkasakit. Like, nung one time nag-reading ako, it's like a personal reading. Medyo matindi yung pinagdadaanan ng tao. 3 day, nagpa-reading siya sa akin, makukulong siya, so napakabigat ng problema. So ngayon, 3 araw po ako hindi nakabangon na after ko siyang i-reading. Yun ay dahil hindi enough yung cleansing na nagawa ko sa sarili ko. Pero I'm okay now. Okay, so anyway, bukod doon, ito yung pinakakilala sa atin. May mabibili ka nito sa mga tindahan. Okay, try mo na lang i-search or magtanong-tanong, insenso at kamangyan. Yan. This one, insenso at kamangyan. So anyway, hindi ko na kailangan ipakita yan. Basta sabihin mo na lang insenso at kamangyan. Mag-cleansing ka. You need to do cleansing. Yan. So this is a guidance only. Lalo na kung maraming nangyari nitong mga nakaraan, nabiglaan. Especially kung itong 10 of Swords, this is an ending. Number 10 is an ending number. Ay nangyari na sa'yo. May something na natapos sa buhay mo ngayon. Upon watching this video, pwedeng hindi ka okay dahil nangyari na. Yung isa at pwedeng magtuloy-tuloy pa. Okay? So, I told you, mag-cleansing ka. Guidance yun. So, what will happen in the near future for you? In the near future, what will happen for you? Yung near future, kung hindi maganda ang kalalabasan, ibig sabihin, kailangan mong baguhin. Kasi ang future ay nababago depende sa action mo. Kung susundin mo yung guidance ko sa'yo, pwedeng mabago kung ano man ang hindi maganda. So, yan. We do have here the Queen of Cups. Empress is here. The Fool. And you do have here the Eight of Pentacles. Of course, right after the ending, meron tayong bottom of the deck, which is a new beginning for you. Okay? May mga mababago dito with the Queen of Swords, which is pwedeng may kinalaman yan sa mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo with the Sun. Ayan, so nakikita natin with the Queen of Cups and the Strength card, the Fool, 8 of Pentacles. There's a lot of opportunities naman na nag-o-open din sa'yo with the Queen of Cups. Especially with the Strength card. Matapang ka, malakas ka, magaling ka. May mga opportunity pa rin naman. You have to take this risk. Kailangan mo lang mag-take ng risk. I can see one by one makukuha mo kung ano yung mga bagay na deserve mo. Okay? And some of you, I can see a peaceful energy. So, some of you, pwedeng gawin ko na yung mga sinasabi ko kanina. And for what I can see here, I feel like pwedeng pagdating sa finances, hindi mo pa ma-feel. But something here is namumunga sa buhay mo. In the near future, hindi mo agad siya ma-feel. Pero lalo na dito sa new beginning na ito, may mga bagay na mababalik or makukuha ka. The Page of Wands, these are messages for you. I can see possible reconciliation. So sabi ko nga, kung ano yung mga minsan na nawala sa buhay mo, natapos sa buhay mo, with the Tower, ay pwedeng mabalik sa'yo. With the Moon, especially if you would use some kind of protection, kung gagamitin mo yung power ng Moon. I'm talking about the full moon, which is nangyari yan kahapon. While itong reading na ito, kahapon yung full moon. So ngayon it's 99% na lang yung full moon. Hindi na siya 100%. But anyway, you have to use the full moon. Gamitin mo yung power na meron yan. Hindi lang sa sun yung may power. Dun din sa moon. Okay? The sun is for cleansing and the moon is for recharge. Paglalagay ng power. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.